Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you delete photos from your iCloud. So you can delete your photos all at once in the iCloud, or you can just delete one by one from the photos. So to delete all at once in the iCloud, just go to your settings. Now click on your Apple ID and click on iCloud. Now click on manage account storage. Now click on photos. Now click on turn off and delete from iCloud, and by clicking continue anyway, your all photos will be deleted from iCloud at once. Now if you want to delete your photos one by one, just go to your photos and you can delete the photos one by one by clicking the bottom last delete icon and click on delete photo. And this is how you can delete photos one by one from your iCloud. So guys, that's how you can delete photos from iCloud. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.